chat. That's what I will tell audiences. When you are in a virtual platform, it's critical that you fully participate. There's no such thing as multitasking, my friends. That's a myth. You're scatter tasking, you're dividing, you're going back and forth like a moth in a room full of light bulbs. That is not effective. What is effective is to pay attention in the moment to the people you are with. It's never about numbers, it's about the value of the people you meet, where you meet them. Whether you're in the room with me, I'm in the room with you, we're on this screen together, there is so much possibility that's powered by connection. Here's one of my best tactics. When you are in a virtual platform and you are able to participate in a chat, in a comment section of some sort, get in there, make an impression, give what you can give, contribute, add to, ask questions. When you are able to private connect with other people, do that. I was just on a workshop with a whole bunch of people who I would love to work for, and I got right into that private chat, and I thank you for being here. Thank you for making time. I really appreciate it. If they responded, then this is great. Would it be possible to connect with you on LinkedIn? Would that be okay? Well, yeah, once you start the connection ball, it rolls. What you want to do is take it from momentum to a flywheel. And one way to start that is to get into the virtual chat features and really light that up. Make sure that you're utilizing that to its full potential. I shared this with another high wattage friend of mine. She's like, oh my gosh, I never thought about it. I'm on it. By the end of an hour meeting workshop, she said, I got an appointment on this date with this person. Thank you so much. That's exactly what I'm talking about. Use what's available to us. Do not lament what we don't have, because we have so much to celebrate what we do have. So virtual tactic for connecting: when you have an enabled chat comment section, get in there, light it up, contribute to the community, to the conversation. It makes a huge difference. And that, my friends, is how business is powered by connection. If you found this video useful, please subscribe to our channel. We'd love to see you back for more, because there's a lot more where that came from.